Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add video subtitle on YouTube video. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and go to YouTube Studio with your YouTube channel account. I already logged in, but my internet is pretty slow, so that's why it taking time. And yes, it's load, and it is my demo channel. And as you can see, YouTube Studio homepage open, and in the left side just click videos, and I have only one video on my channel, so click the details button. Here is descriptions box, then click the edit, just add your timestamp here, and you can add minimum 3 timestamps in one video, and you need to start from 0. And each timestamps at least 10 seconds or long. And you need to add minimum 3 timestamps. As you can see, I'm adding 3 timestamps here, and then click the save, and click to check video time subtitle video chapter. So video loading. I pause my video. As you can see, here is video chapter added on progress bar. First 1 minute and second 1 minute, then last part. And you can check from here, and you can click to go your desired video subtitle. So I hope this video did helpful for you. Please, if this video helpful for you, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next.